Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to unbox the Samsung Galaxy A12. And guys, this is a new budget phone from Samsung which is costing around 29,000 PKR in Pakistan market. And guys, Samsung is launching the Samsung Galaxy A12 with the two variants. We have a 128 GB of internal storage with a 4 GB of RAM and a 64 GB of internal storage and a 4 GB of RAM. And the variant I have is the 4 GB of RAM and a 64 GB of internal storage. And guys, also, and the color I have is the blue color, and you can see. So in this video we're gonna unbox the Samsung Galaxy A12 and let's see what Samsung has to offer in this phone. And Samsung is about to launching their new A series in the Pakistan market as fast as possible, and you can see. And now we get Samsung A12. In some days we also see some another Samsung A series phone. So now let's quickly open this box, and on the top we have one seal, and on the bottom we also have one more seal, and you can see. And guys, now let's remove the plastic. And guys, on top we get this 1-year warranty card because this phone it is officially launched in Pakistan market, and you can see. And on the back we have nothing, and on the right hand side we have this offer from Zong, and you can see. On the left hand side we have a Samsung Galaxy A12 logo, Samsung official product for Pakistan. And now let's quickly open this box, and you can see. And guys, on the top we get this one more mini box. And guys, also, and the unboxing experience it is very similar to last year A11. Now let's open this mini box, and you can see we don't get any silicone case with the Samsung Galaxy A12. Instead we get a quick start guide as well as a warranty card, and you can see. And here is the Samsung Galaxy A12. Now let's out the phone from this box, and you can see here is the Samsung Galaxy A12. On the front we have a 6.5-inch display, and also we have quad cameras on the back as well as a fingerprint scanner, and you can see. Now I'm gonna just put the side here and look inside the box, and you can see. And the first thing we get this 15-watt fast charger, and you can see. And the bay rating on this adapter it is 9 volt with 1.67 ampere, and you can see. And we get 15-watt fast charging with the Samsung Galaxy A12. And also we get a SIM injection tool, and also we get the headphones, and that's a really unique thing with the Samsung Galaxy A12. Some brands does not give you headphones in this price range, and you can see. And that's a really unique thing with the Samsung Galaxy A12. And also we get a USB Type-C cable, and you can see. And guys, now let's put all these things to the side, and now let's see the Samsung Galaxy A12. Now let's out the phone from this plastic like this, and you can see here is the Samsung Galaxy A12 in this blue color, and you can see it looks really nice. On the back we get this lines, and also the back it is made up of plastic. On the back we get this matte finish. On the back we get a quad cameras, and you can see. And the main sensor on the back is a 48 megapixel, and also we have a 5 megapixel ultra wide and a 2 megapixel macro lens and a 2 megapixel depth sensor on the back. And also we have a LED flash. And the camera layout this time we see in the square shape as compared to a rectangular shape on the Samsung Galaxy A21s. And now let's quickly boot this phone up, and now let's see the physical overview of this phone. And guys, on the bottom we have a speaker, USB Type-C port as well as a main microphone and a headphone jack. And on the left hand side we have a SIM tray. Now let's look at the SIM tray on the Samsung Galaxy A12, and you can see that you can use one microSD card with the 2 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a full-fledged SIM slot. On the top we get a noise cancellation microphone, and on the right hand side we have a volume up and volume down rocker as well as a side mounted fingerprint scanner. We don't have in-display fingerprint scanner on this phone because we have a 720p TFT display, and the display quality it is really similar as the Samsung Galaxy A21s. And guys, now let's quickly set up this phone up. Okay guys, and here is the first boot of the Samsung Galaxy A12, and it's take more time, and you can see. And you can see here is the first boot of the Samsung Galaxy A12, and you can see. And the first impression about the display quality, I have to say that this phone gave you a 720p TFT display, and the display quality it is not really improved as compared to the Samsung Galaxy A21s. And guys, now let's see the fingerprint scanner speed. And you can see, and the fingerprint scanner speed, it is also really fast on this phone. And you can see, let me go to the about phone. Now let's see the software information. And you can see this phone, it is running on Android 10, and also we have a One UI 2.5 update on this phone, and also we have a November security patch on this phone. Now let's go back, and guys, also we have a 5000 mAh battery size, and the battery size, it is really good on this phone, and this phone give you at least 1.5 day of battery life without any problem. Now let's go back, and now let's see the display area. And you can see we also have this auto brightness feature on this phone, as well as a dark mode. All those things, it is available. We have a 64 GB of internal storage, and again Samsung is also launching the 128 GB of internal storage variant of the Samsung Galaxy A12, and guys, we get a 48.4 GB available for you guys. Now let's go back. We have a 4 GB of RAM, and you can see again we have a Samsung One UI, which I really like on Samsung phones, because this UI give you a lot of unique functionality. We also have a Dolby Atmos on this phone. Now let's look at the camera, and you can see here is the camera UI of the Samsung Galaxy A12, and you can see here is your normal, and also we have a 48 megapixel mode on this phone as well, and here is your ultra wide, and you can see, and the ultra wide, it is not really good on this phone. And guys, we also have a live focus on this phone, which is also work on objects. And guys, and the back camera maximum shoot full HD at 30 fps, and the front camera also give you a full HD at 30 fps maximum video recording size. You can also record videos in the ultra wide lens as well. Let me go to the more section, and you can see we also have a macro mode on this phone, which uses a 2 megapixel macro lens on the back. Although the quality of this lens, it is not really good on this phone. Instead we get the 5 megapixel macro lens. We don't have any slow motion on this phone, and also we have a pro mode on this phone. Now let's see the front camera, and guys, on the front we get a 8 megapixel selfie camera, and you can see, and the camera quality with the front camera, it is not really good on this phone. And we also have a live focus with the front camera. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Samsung Galaxy A12. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.